Hi Doriana, this is Luan. I wanted to quickly show you about the private content area on your website. Um, so we're logged in on the back end of your site, and I'm in the private content area. Wanted to show you categories, users, things like that. So with categories are essentially it's just like groups that has different restrictions. So if you need a hierarchy of users that can access certain content, you can create that. So I created one just as a sample called small group leaders, and then in the user I've created a user that would use that called Michael. Um, so let's see if that works. I'm going to go ahead and create a page called um, let's call it sample group. And what we need to do is load the template, and then here where it says private content redirect, select the group that we want access to this page, and also select transparency header. Okay, and then we're going to publish it, and if everything goes well, it works. So when we publish it, it doesn't mean that we're completely done. What we need to do also is we need to put it in the menu. So appearances, we need to go to appearances menu. So for example, whenever we created it, it's not there yet. So we're here on the menu page, and we need to make sure we're on the main menu, and then we called it sample page, sample group, and we just add it to the menu, and it should be at the bottom. We're gonna put it here, and we're gonna save it. And if we load this, it should be at the bottom of this. Test. See. Maybe we did not add it. Here it is. Sample group. Test WPMF. Let's try it again. Here it is. So if we click on it, it should give us a login box. Cool. Yeah, it does. So we're good with that because it restricts us. So next I want to show you how you can restrict people from these content. So have content within the page and then restrict certain content. So let's maybe if we want to put a button right here. So let's go to the home page. Okay, so what we need to do, first, if we want to create a button and we want to put it here and we want to restrict it, we first need to go to the media and we want to copy the link for, let's say it's a button that leads to the PDF. So we copy this, and then we go back to the page and we click on it to edit. Actually, let's edit, because this will not allow us to edit. What we need to edit is one that is a text block. So I think this is a text block. Let's drag one here. Okay. So So we're entering into the text block, and what we need to do is this magic wand, create full size button. Why not? And we're gonna give it a test. That's a pretty name. Manual, and this is where we paste in the link to the PDF, and then icon. Sure, I'll click this button here, and so we've created the button, but everyone can see it now still. So what we need to do now is make it private. So if we highlight this whole button and we click this private content area, and we pick category or who we want to allow to see, we click WPMF member, we insert it. Oh, sorry, don't highlight it. Let's try it again. Okay, now we need to cut this and paste it. Okay, and then save it. So it'll give you this long string of mumble jumble stuff, but it's okay. You update it. Okay, updating, and then yeah, if we go here, this, content is restricted. Okay. Anyway, hopefully that helps you a little bit to understand a little bit. Please let me know if there's any more questions. Thanks.